How to fix USB Wi-Fi not working with 100.417CF access violation error. 1. Run the network adapter troubleshooter. 2. Restart the WLAN auto-config service. 3. Update the network drivers using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 4. Disable allow the computer to turn off this device to save power in your USB Wi-Fi adapter properties. 5. Run the following commands as admin. Netshare winsock reset netshare int IP reset IP protocol configuration / release IP protocol configuration / renew IP protocol configuration / flush plan B, perform network reset.